Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question, quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was just on Friday, and then all of a sudden you look at where the price closed today, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price has definitely made a very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. In my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right down here at $5.35. Why is $5.35 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 535. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does something like this, not saying it will, but for example's sake, pulls back here, but in this situation behaves like that before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase progress, again, as $5.35. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this move is going to continue upwards, where are some of these next key battlegrounds at? As it stands right now, key level to keep an eye on going to be right up here around $7 and what is that, about 40 cents. You go back here through the history of the chart and you can see there are clearly some sellers hanging right up around this general area right there. So 740, if you want to call it 750, I mean, whatever, it is what it is. But this general vicinity up here is definitely where there have been some sellers in the past. Anyway, look at it though. Very nice move today. Great bounce from the lows on Friday. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.